YouTube? D4G here, banging out another video. Hey, today is a big day, man. This is the first video since we hit 1,000 subscribers, man. I gotta say thank y'all, man. I appreciate y'all so much, man. I wouldn't have got to this spot without y'all. I appreciate y'all for the likes, the views, the subscribes, the comments, especially because y'all are engaging, man, and I really do appreciate that about y'all. So thank y'all. We wouldn't have got here without y'all. Thank y'all. Now let's talk about this fragrance, because I know y'all ready. It's First Impression Friday. You know what time it is. So I know y'all are ready to see what new fragrances we got to unbox. I actually got 2 of them here from one of my subscribers, man. Shout out to my guy, Danny, man. I could say so much, man. Just shout out to my guy, man. He sent me over a package from my 1,000 subscriber. So we're about to open this up and let's see what's in here, man. Let's get into it. What up, YouTube? D4G here, man. So as you know, man, we got the 1,000 subscriber celebration as well as First Impression Friday, man. We're hitting y'all with a 2-in-1 today. Might do another celebration a little bit later, just a little bit more personal. But right now, I know y'all here for these fragrances, so let's talk about it, man. I got 2 new pickups in today. Bruh, these are dope, man. I haven't smelled them yet. I haven't even unboxed them, but I'm excited to see what they smell like. So the first fragrance that I'm gonna be bringing y'all today is gonna be Ralph Lauren Purple Label, 2003 release. I'm excited to see what this one is. And then we also have Cerruti 1881 signature. So I'm eager to see what both of these hitting on, man. We about to open it up. I'm gonna start off with the purple label first, and we're gonna get into it. Again, I'm not trying to take up too much of y'all time, so we're gonna try to make this as quick as possible. First off, you can get this plastic off of here. Bro, this is nice, man. Oh my God, bro, look at the box, man. It got like a texture on it. Nice little patch right there. This is very nice, man. This is a dope presentation for it to be a designer, because most of the time they slack on presentations, especially compared to the Middle Eastern. And then you open it up like this right here, and then your fragrance just falls out like so. So here we go. We got the bottle, nice. Not a bad looking bottle, very clean, very sleek. I don't know if y'all can see that right there, but we got Ralph Lauren at the top, or RL at the top, stuff at the bottom. And for anybody that's wondering, this is batch code number 18J2002 for all of my batch code people. I'm eager to see what this is. So look, this is a habit. Gotta spray it up every once in a while to get the alcohol up out of there, man. Damn, I can already smell this already, man. This bitch smell dark. Smell like a black berry or like a dark berry type fruitiness somewhere up in there. We gonna see though. This is very clean, man. This shit's loud as hell. I should have sprayed this one on my wrist. I'm gonna do the next one on my wrist. Very nice, man. Very nice. Clean. This would be great for the office. It has like a citrus smell in there, almost like a mandarin orange style citrus. I'm also picking up like a fruit, like a berry style fruit. Now it definitely smells more like a darker berry, not like no red fruits or nothing like that. This is definitely like a blackberry style fruit that you're getting in there. But I'm liking this though, man. I'm liking this. This is a very clean pickup. Let me see what this shit hitting on with the wrist, on the wrist game. See what I'm getting on skin real quick. We're gonna try that one. And I'll do the other one on this wrist. Same. Now I will say on wrist, I'm getting a little bit more of the syntheticness in here. It does have a synthetic side. So I am getting hit with a little bit of alcohol compared to when it was on paper, which is kind of crazy.
Come on now, dog.
Man, this is very clean though, very fresh. Yeah, I was getting more alcohol on skin than I am in paper for some reason. But this is still a very clean, fresh fragrance. Very uplifting. Like I said, it has some type of berry up top with a little bit of orange. I'm also getting like a clean smell, like a very, like almost like a cypress uplifting feel that I'm picking up from this. I like this bit. This bit dope. Maybe even picking up a little bit of sage. This is a very aromatic style fragrance. Great for the spring and summertime. Good for the office. We're gonna go ahead and open up 1881. Get Ralph Lauren a little bit of time to dry down for a second, and then we'll come back to it. But I'm liking that one though. That was nice. Very clean fragrance. I need to slow down because I'm ready to open up these boxes. I ain't really showing y'all much, but this one's a very plain box, simple box. Not too much going on here. Hold on. Damn. Look at this. Okay, so look. Front part of the bottle, just glass. You can kind of see the level. But then the back, oh my gosh. Can y'all see that, man? It's like a matte black 1881 finish. That is very nice, man. I'm liking that. So this one, we're gonna spray on the right wrist and we're gonna see what that one hitting on. Still gotta do the same thing. Now I do like the atomizer on this one a lot more than what I was liking with the Ralph Lauren. So the atomizer definitely goes to this one here. Now let's see what we getting on skin. Damn, this bitch spray out a lot. I like this. I really like the atomizer on that one. All right, let's see this one. Dark. I got a dark already. I'm getting the darkness, darker style fragrance. This one has a little bit of a synthetic smell going as well. Yeah, man, this is a very dark fragrance, man. I'm already picking up leather, so you can already tell that this is gonna be a leather style fragrance. I'm also getting some spices like black pipe. Huh? Black pepper style spices in this as well, especially in the opening. Maybe like some nutmeg in there too. This is dope. Nutmeg or cinnamon, it's around that realm. But this is nice, man. I'm rocking with this. You get a little bit of like a grapefruit citrus up top, but it's not heavy, it's not overpowering. The leather is gonna be the main player in this, followed by a lot of spices. This one is nice. I'm rocking with both of these, but this 1881, that 1881 might be the winner of the two. Let me go back to Purple Label real quick. Okay, now the dry down to Purple Label is going to much more of a still clean, but now I'm getting more earthy undertones in the dry down of Purple Label. So in the opening, like I said, it was a little bit of fruit, some citrus, a very fresh fragrance, some sage, very fresh fragrance. Whereas in the dry down, this going towards a little earthier side of things, like patchouli, sandalwood. This is nice, fam. This is nice. I'm liking this one. I'm liking the dry down in this more than I am the opening. And then with 1881 signature, leather, like a clean ass leather, followed by some nice spices, bro. This is a dope pickup. I'm rocking with both of these heavy. Yeah. These are good. These are good. I will be doing a more in-depth review later. This is still First Impression Friday, so I'm not gonna take up too much of y'all time. Shout out to my guy Danny, because these two pickups are dope. Happy to have this one in the collection, because this one's a nice one. Very nice pickup. Brother, this 1881 is my side. This is my type of fragrance right here. I like this a lot. This is a banger. This one is a banger. Winter chicken fucking dinner. Y'all already know what it is, man. We back again with another one. I just want to say one more time, because I cannot say this enough. Thank y'all so much for getting us to 1,000 subs. We got another goal that we're about to crush, and we're going to get to this one much faster than what we got to the first goal. So we're gonna keep this shit going. But again, thank y'all, because this wouldn't have been possible without y'all. But with all that being said, man, we about to get up out of here. I hope y'all have a great day. I hope y'all have a phenomenal day. Stay on your square, stay on your purpose. Don't let nobody take you off of it. D4G, truly blessed, destined for greatness. We out.